I'm Marsha Hudson, your social media and branding strategist, and welcome to my Yes to Success channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you will enjoy the resources and tips and training videos that I give on this site to help you as a business owner say yes to success, because that's what we're all about here at Marsha Hudson. It's helping business owners say yes to success for your business as a whole. So today I'm excited to talk about Facebook ads, how to be successful at doing a Facebook ad, simply because I did my first one and it was successful. So I've been toying around with the subject of doing a Facebook ad or looking at paid ads, because I realized that just posting now is good, but you get a better reach when you pay for ads. The good thing about it is that the ads are very reasonable, and we're just going to kind of get into everything that I did on how to promote and how to have a successful Facebook ad. So let's get to it. Get a pen, get some paper, and let's get to it. And I'm going to go through the steps of what I did to do my first ad, and I'm also going to be giving you some screenshots in this video. So it's going to be a great video, so hopefully you stay to the end, because you know you can go to marshalandhudson.com and get a lot of free resources to help you with your business. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was I had to decide that I'm going to finally do a Facebook ad, and I did. Number one, for me as a business owner, to see how it works for me, because I want to start doing it. And number two, for my clients who are small business owners, so I can help you say yes to success with your social media and branding. So the first thing I thought about is, what am I going to run an ad on? And I thought that I like to create awareness for me as a social media speaker and a branding strategist. So I wanted to create awareness, and I want to build my email list, because we know that email marketing is gold mine for us as business owners. And I'm going to do a video on that, by the way. So I got a small bank card at my bank, and I put a small amount on it, $300 on that card, because that's what I'm going to be using for my online and paid advertisement. I didn't want to use my major card, the one that I use for bills and things like that, because just in case, you know, you get hacked or something, you don't want them to have your regular debit card number. So I suggest getting a debit card from your bank and just putting a small amount on it, and then let that be your card for advertising. I'm also going to look into Google AdWords and maybe some LinkedIn advertising. So I decided to do my ad. I decided what I wanted from my ad, and then I decided how I was going to allow them to take the money. So when I sat down at my computer for my first Facebook ad, I had to create the ad because Facebook has to approve it. So as many of you know, I am a photographer. I created my ad in Photoshop. But if you're not a photographer, of course, you can create your ad in Canva. And it's a great place to produce and create lots of things. So be sure and check out Canva, C-A-N-V-A. You can Google that. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I wanted to switch over to the screenshots and show you my computer as we move forward on this video. So I went to look for some samples of Facebook ads that were successful, and I found a few, and I wanted to share those with you. So here's one ad that is a successful Facebook ad. I did a Google search on successful Facebook ads, and one reason why this ad is successful is you do not see them trying to sell something. They are actually giving something away. So here they're giving away a free ebook. If you do the download, if you click this button, you'll be directed to their site, I'm sure here, and you will be able to download the free ebook. If you download it, you will have to give your email. So this ad, their goal was the same as my goal, to get emails. So let me show you a second sample here that I found, ads that were successful on Facebook. Once again, this company, Marketo, they have an ad here where you get
you get to download a free guide on social media marketing. So if you go and click the download button, I'm sure you go to their website here, and if you download it, they get your email. So you get the idea of what I mean. For successful Facebook ads, you want to give something away. You don't want to actually sell something with your ad. You want to give something away, depending on what you want as your goal. Remember, my two goals were to create awareness about Marsha Lynn Hudson and to get emails to build my email list. So here's co-schedule here. This is an ad that they ran on Facebook. And once again, they're giving away our marketing editorial calendar. And if you click learn more, I'm sure you will go to their website. And if you want the calendar, you have to give your email. So that's another sample. Let me see. Here's a good one. So in this ad by this company, Design Pickle, they are giving away a free ebook with 200 design ideas for your business. So all of these ads are geared toward business owners. So I have to say that you have to decide on who your audience is before you decide on your giveaway. And so if you click the download, I'm sure it takes you to their website. And if you download the free ebook, you have to give your email. So you get an idea here of basically what's a good sample of a good Facebook ad. I like Neil Patel here. And so basically he is a social media strategist. He's very good, by the way. And as you can see, here's a free bonus, the 24-step framework that he uses to teach marketing. So if you sign up, I'm sure you'll go to his website, and if you do, you can also get a free webinar and he gets your email. So you get an idea of a successful ad is giving away something, not selling something. So the next thing I want you to pay attention to is graphic. Notice in these ads, the graphics are creative or they're vibrant, but the graphics are there. So in a Facebook ad, you definitely want to do a graphic. Either design one, like I made mine in Photoshop, or make one in Canva, whatever. So in each ad, you will see a graphic that is interesting to catch attention. Here is another graphic here. And basically, as you can see, there's the graphic and there's text. So we're talking about creating a good graphic for your Facebook ad, whether it's in Facebook or Canva or however you create a graphic. So those are some graphics. So another thing I wanted to show you, this is a really nice graphic for a Facebook ad. Think of a great graphic. The third thing that I learned in my research with Facebook ads, besides giving away something, that's number one, and creating a compelling image, that's number two. The third thing I learned is the text. And so basically I learned through the research to create text where you get to basically say this is the solution. If a business owner has a pain point, you want to create the solution. And many times what I found is the solution is with a question. And if there's a pain point, the question will basically capture the attention of the audience and persuade them to download. And so this one says you can build awareness, drive revenue, and engage existing customers on social media. But how? Very good pain points. Neil Patel does a good job with putting text or asking a question. Do you want to learn how to increase traffic to your business? So basically the text should be something that's compelling, that the person who's reading it says to themselves, yes, I want to learn this, I want to know this, and then that makes them go to get your download. The three main points to a good Facebook ad would be the giveaway, the image, and the text. So to my ad. So once I did my research and I looked at the images, I looked at the text, I looked at, here's another good one with a good image and good text. and a download as a giveaway. So once I went through that, I decided, okay, what am I going to do? So I went and made my visual this. And so in my ad, you can see my ebooks and my free downloads. And so here's my 8 tools for blogging success, the 3 C's of social media success, how to add video to your marketing mix. Most of my ebooks are free here, and then I have one that's a low cost of $5.99. So I decided to make that my graphic. Then I went on here. Okay, so here is part of my text. Let me move this down some. Download our full library for free to help you say yes to success, and I put my .com. So as a part of my text, I put where you can download more than one thing, and if they go to download, of course, I will get their email. And I wanted to show you how my ad looked finally. So here's my ad, and here's my image. Here's the name of my company. I'm trying to create awareness. Here's my graphic that I made. Here's my text. Here's my giveaway, and here's my download button. So I say, are you tired of being lost in the social media safari? Tired trying to find the time to brand your business? Well, struggle no more. Imagine more leads, more customers, or more income. Get 6 of my ebooks for free. I know one is here, you have to pay, but I have others on there, so they really can get 6 free to help you start branding your business in just 30 minutes a day. And then here's my .com, how to brand and build a business online in 30 minutes a day. So if this is compelling to the person who sees my ad, they will go, click on the download button, go to the library, they can download my ebooks, and I will get their email. So that's basically how it works. And then you submit it to Facebook, and then they will send you, hopefully, good news. Your ad is approved, and you should begin delivering shortly.
Read the Facebook guidelines for ads so that they can get approved. So my ad was approved, and I think the reason why I was approved the first time is, number one, I wrote my own text. Number two, I made my own ad. I used my own images. I didn't use any images that were copyrighted, and so my ad was approved. Now I ran it for 3 days for a very small amount because it was my first one. I wanted to give it a try for $5 a day. You can put your own budget for your Facebook ad. So you could say $10 a day for 5 days. That's why I say they're very reasonable. And you could say $10 a day for 10 days. Or if you want to say $5 a day for 5 days. So I did a small ad, which I'm going to increase it my second time around. 3 days, $5 a day. So I could spend $15 in this ad. And so basically Facebook tells you the impressions, who clicked, who didn't, how many people saw the ad. So you can go in and check your analytics in your Facebook page, but it doesn't tell you who saw it, or specifically this person saw it, or this person with this email. It doesn't give you that, but it lets you know these 167 people saw this. 100 people clicked on it. So it gives you those statistics for your ad, so you can see how well your ad did. And with my offer that I gave, 5 people did click, and I got 5 new emails. So I consider that to be successful for my first 3-day run for just $5. Now Facebook will let more people see if your budget is larger and things like that. Now what did I learn from that ad? Now I only had 5 people to click and get my offering, which was my free download. How do I get 10 or 15? What I learned from that ad is maybe the ad needs to be more diverse so more people would click. Or maybe the people that I geared it toward, because you can tell Facebook the geographic, maybe some of those people weren't interested in what I was giving away. So I need to figure out, what do I need to give away that would interest more people to click. So you learn from your ads. So I thought it was very successful on running my first Facebook ad. Now running an ad versus not running an ad. So let's say I posted to Facebook, and I put my information and things like that. Facebook maybe let 5 people see. But when I pay for an ad for $5 a day, for 3 days, 167 people saw it. So it's a big difference there with just posting to Facebook and doing the paid ads. So I think paid ads are good for us as business owners. I think we should gauge them. We don't have to do them often, but I think it's a good part of our business marketing, especially if we want to create awareness, if we want to get more leads, and if we want to build our email list. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope the screenshots that I've done have been helpful to you. And as you prepare for perhaps doing your own Facebook ad, you can listen to my podcast. You can go to MarshaLynnHudson.com to see my podcast on Facebook ad. You can read my blog on Facebook ad. I did a blog on MarshaHudsonBlog.com, and of course this video. So I was really excited about Facebook ads. I just did what we call layered marketing. I did a podcast on it, I did a blog on it, and I'm doing this video. So I hope that it will help you as you move on in your business and say yes to success. I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and branding strategist.